Hi, my name is Jerry Villa. I have over 25 years of experience and I love car audio. I've been doing it since the 90s, working on my own cars, friends' cars, basically anybody that would let me. In the 90s, I went to the only school at the time, which was called Mobile Dynamics in Canada, and got certified there, learned a ton, came back and started working in the industry before I opened up my own shop. I would say my specialty is the design and finding of all of the parts needed to complete the job. I basically can do everything from a simple installation to motorization, fabrication, welding, plexiglass, pretty much upholstery, you name it, I can make it happen. As far as my installation philosophy, I believe that you do everything 110%. The best you can possibly do. My goal is to make it as factory as possible and to function and look as if it came with the car. We obviously know it didn't, but I wanted somebody opens it up to look at it and say, this was very well done, very well thought out, very well engineered. Some of the people that have influenced me from very early on was Derek Lee from Mobile Dynamics in Canada. Just set a foundation of doing things right and understanding how things work. The other one is Fishman Rivera. Just the amount of creativity and fab and just the passion for what we do. A third one would be Brian Schmidt, as far as later on, which was more about the attention to detail, process, having procedures in place. I really like that. The way my coworkers would describe me is very focused, very detail oriented, very procedure driven, efficient, all of the above. My biggest challenge lately has been balancing my family life and my work, because I have 2 twin baby boys, which are amazing. The reason I feel I should be part of the top 50 is because I can do everything from basic installation all the way up to custom builds. Design, fabrication, demonstration, you name it, I can do it. The way my performance influences the team and the store culture is by always striving for excellence. We hold morning meetings in order to see what's going on and what we can do better, what the clients thought about cars, how we can improve. We also do, every morning we do an improvement. The entire team does an improvement which helps the shop as a whole, either to help yourself or to help the whole shop. But all these little improvements add up to a much larger accomplishment at the end of every week. The other thing we do is we hold trainings. So every Saturday after our morning meeting, we hold trainings to try to improve our skills. We go over maybe a stumbling block we had during the week, or something that a new skill that we're trying to learn and trying to communicate to the whole team.